Today, we'll dive into the essentials of the registered office and the registered agent for your LLC. This is crucial info you need when filling out your LLC formation documents. All right, let's get into it. First, your LLC must have a registered office. This needs to be a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed. No PO boxes are allowed here. Now, let's talk about the registered agent. This can be a person or a company that agrees to accept legal mail and important documents for your LLC. The registered agent must be available during normal business hours at your registered office. Wondering who can be your registered agent? If you have an address in the state, you can serve as your registered agent. You can also ask a friend or family member if they have an address in the state and agree to accept the service of process. Just know, your LLC itself cannot serve as its own registered agent. Service of process refers to the legal mail and documents sent to your LLC, like certificates, late notices, subpoenas, or legal complaints. The registered agent ensures your LLC gets these important documents promptly. If you don't have an address in the state or prefer not to serve as the registered agent, you can hire a commercial registered agent. They specialize in receiving service of process and forwarding it to you. These services typically cost between $100 to $300 per year. Once you've sorted out your registered agent, you can proceed with your LLC formation documents. This video is brought to you by LegalRegistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit LegalRegistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.